Burhanuddin sir for giving me the chance to present my slide. So my fellow teammates have already talked about introduction of entropy, changing entropy, then challenges and problem. So I am going to present the solution of entropy challenge problems. So entropy is basically a concept that came from the law of thermodynamics, which is second law, and it is basically a randomness or disorderness of a system. So I think you are already thinking about how we can solve this problem. We should decrease the entropy, but it is not possible. It breaks the law of thermodynamics. So there are four type of concepts we can mitigate the effect of entropy change, and our efficiency will much be higher. It can be 50%, 60%, 70% or 80%, which is enough for us. So let's go. First of all, energy efficient and renewable energy. Renewable energy like solar energy and water energy, wind energy, that causes less pollution, and less pollution causes less entropy increase. So that little amount of increasing entropy doesn't affect us that much. So we can use renewable energy rather than coal, petrol, diesel and oil, because they are non-renewable, they do a lot more pollution and that is bad for us. So second, recycling. What we do after using a material, we just throw it away. But if we recycle that material, we can cause the entropy change very little, and we are doing less pollution and less resource. So that can also cause a lower change in entropy, and we can mitigate the effect. Advanced technology, we can see the AI and quantum computers. So what in these days, if we want to do some projects or works in presentation or Photoshop effects or something like that, we don't do that manually, because if we do that manually, it requires a lot more data, it requires a lot more resources, and where there is lot more data and resources, there must be an entropy. So we are giving AI just a single sentence command and it is doing our work. So that can also lose the entropy in basically computer science background. Maximum of our students are computer science background, so we can relate that very much more than me. Last of all, we can talk about the scientific research. Scientific research have two options: self-repairing materials and negative. Thank you, everyone.